How many times can you reuse chaga? This is Rachel Goclawski, Cooking with Mrs. G. Chaga is a highly nutritious and medicinal, healthful fungus, which is found on birch trees, and we harvest in the winter. It's pretty hard to find, and in some areas of the world it is getting over-harvested because it's so valuable. So I have made quite a large batch of double extracted tincture, and I used a lot of chaga for it. So this was the chaga that I had used to make the tea for the dual extraction stage, and I didn't want to just put this on my compost pile, so I actually made another batch of tea, and you can see how dark and rich this batch of tea is. So I had actually put in about a half a gallon of water and did my 2.5 hour long process of making tea from this chaga, and it still is very, very dark and rich. So I will use this a third time. And of course, every time I use this chaga, you can see now it's kind of corky instead of hard. Every time I use this chaga, it's going to have less and less nutritional and medicinal value. So of course, keep that in mind if you reuse your chaga, that eventually it's not going to have that much value, but you can keep on using this at least a couple more times and get all the use that you can out of this chaga. I have a bunch of other chaga videos on my YouTube channel, Cooking with Mrs. G, so feel free to check them out and hit like and subscribe and comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts.